Creating a blog in WebGenius. In this session we're going to learn how to create a blog to include on our site. Before we do that, a couple of things. You need to confirm with your administrator that the blog module has been switched on your site, as well as a two-sector template. You will need these things to continue. Once we've got those set up, we can start setting up our blog. We do that in Dialog Center. So we'll click on the icon and go through to the area where we manage our web blogs. We can create our web blog by clicking here, calling it something like my blog, add a description that will appear on your site, add the bloggers' names, and perhaps a photo. Various options for comments and syndication, including RSS feeds. Permissions to who sees comments and can post comments. Trackbacks and moderation. We can also set up page display settings such as date, formats, archiving, where our titles and descriptions are to be placed on the page. Other options such as including names and pictures, social media links, whether you'd like to link the blogger's name to an About Me page, and archiving options. Once you've set those up, we can save. And our blog is set up now to go. We need to go to Site Center to create our blog page. We can add an orphan page. If you'd like to put your blog in your main site tree, you can pop it anywhere in your navigation structure. Choose a name for the page. Select the template that you need. Click Save. Then we need to go into Page Options. Scroll down the page and ensure that the option to make the page a blog page is selected to yes, and we select our blog. Click Save. You'll now see the ability to insert new blog posts. We'll do that. Create a title. Your name. Any tags that you'd like. The date you would like that to appear. Text. Choose the text style that you're after. Any breaks that you wish to create your blog. Click Save and Continue. And there we've created our blog. We can click on the link here because we're in draft version to see the page and see what it looks like on our site, and make adjustments as we see fit. When you're wanting to create another blog post, we simply click on the link here. One thing to mention here is creating blog feeds, which are handy. You can choose to insert them on any pages that you wish. Sometimes on the home page is a good option. It just creates small snippets of information that is pulled from your blog posts, kind of like small little summaries. I'll show you how that's done. We'll pop that in Sector 2. And here we have the ability to insert. We go down the list and we insert a blog feed. Here's our blog feed section, which is empty at the moment. So we need to go into edit that section and set up some items here. We choose the blog that we want the feed to come from, so it's my blog, and the number of posts to display in that blog feed. You can make that as 6 or 10, however many you would like, depending on the size of the feed and the space that you have available. This section size in terms of pixels and height, and then some color options here for background colors, etc. So you might want to have a play around with that. We click Save. And here we have our blog feed. Go back to the site, hit refresh, and you'll see that our post now appears here. Great. Now you're ready to create your blog.